The government offers hope to mothers of children living with hemophilia, a rare inherited bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot normally due to a deficiency in essential clotting factors. Jana Pineda from the Philippine Information Agency NCR tells us more.
May Vega's first son was only 7 months old when he was diagnosed with hemophilia. Tests confirmed later that her youngest son also had the bleeding disorder. The significant costs associated with managing her 2 children's hemophilia, with monthly treatment amounting to 200,000 pesos, often left May and her family struggling to make ends meet. That's why it brought comfort to her when she was given the opportunity to seek help from the government through the assistance of the Presidential Action Center.
Sobrang hirap. Financially, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, lahat ng factors mahirap. Then hindi naman lahat nakakaintindi ng sakit nila na kasi physically okay sila eh. Physically okay yung itsura nila. Mukha silang healthy kasi syempre normal naman talaga sila, but then yung sakit nila kasi nasa dugo eh. So pag nag-bleed, dun mo lang mararamdaman na may hindi okay sa kanila. Iiyak sila. Yung nakikita namin na may mga ahensya na ganito na tumutulong sa mga kagaya namin, nakakabawas siya ng stress, ng worry ng isang magulang.
Hemophilia is a rare inherited bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot normally due to a deficiency in essential clotting factors. People suffering from this disorder experience prolonged or excessive bleeding after an injury, making them prone to bruises and internal bleeding.
April marks National Hemophilia Awareness Month in the Philippines. According to the Department of Health, hemophilia affects 1 in every 10,000 male children born in the country, a significant reality which calls for greater awareness and support. From the Philippine Information Agency National Capital Region, Jana Pineda, Balitang Pambansa.